everyone! For today's vlog, we will wander throughout the wilderness of the woods as we learn some vocabulary words. The woods is always mystical to me. I like being around it. It's like a sanctuary for the soul. You can listen to the rustles of leaves, watch over the towering canopy, and sway along with the branches of the trees. Did you ever feel like you're one with it? To be absorbed by its mysteries and be charmed with its sublimity? Well, I live in a countryside, so I basically spent half of my life hanging out in the woods, and I actually had a lot of memories with it. Being a wild child, I remember how I liked to collect pebbles. These are tiny rounded stones that are mostly smooth in texture. We can use this as garden mulch or by creating a pebble art. I also remember when we used to gather twigs so we can build a tiny camp. I also have a very vivid memory from when my mother used to collect roots of some herbs to use as a medicine whenever we were sick. So, it looks like this. Over these years, I suddenly missed my childhood. I remember running from this meadow along with my cousins, and how the only thing we cared about was being happy and being present at the moment. I have a lot of scars right now because we were very much engrossed with playing and exploring in the woods, and there were also times when I slipped in the part where there were a lot of moss. So moss refers to a very small green or yellow plant that grows especially in wet earth or on wax walls and tree trunks. So, this is how moss looks like. Do you also like to spend time in the woods? If you do, I think you might just be another me who's really fascinated with everything you see and experience in it.